Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Nextdoor how to list something free or for sale. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to list something free or for sale on Nextdoor, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Nextdoor application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now in order to list something, all you gotta do is tap on the screen button that says post, and then once you're inside here, select sale or giveaway if the pro option is prompted to you. Then tap on skip, and then here you'll be provided with the options like add to photos, and there you'll find the option to add a title and description that you want. All you gotta do is simply add titles or price and descriptions and category, and once done you can also select from free by simply toggling this on and then showing the or selecting the pickup location as well. Then once done, all you gotta do is tap on next, and all you gotta do now is review all the details that you have posted, and then once all it is clear, simply tap on the post icon on the bottom top right corner of the screen. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.